Hi, this is David at ProSEODesign.com, and in this tutorial, how to use Amazon S3 and DLGuard together, I'm going to show you how to set up an Amazon account, add S3 services to the account, how to get your security identifiers and secret keys you need to access your files, how to decide on a client UI to use to access S3. Then we're going to connect up to S3. We're going to set up buckets, folders, we're going to upload an image, and then we're going to test it. And then we're going to go into cPanel, we're going to set up a CNAME, and then we're going to log into DLGuard and set up our links to S3 with our products. And I think you're going to find that Amazon S3 is just not as difficult as it appears to be. So let's get started. Jump right into Amazon. Okay, the first thing we're going to need to do is to establish an AWS account. So go up to aws.amazon.com, and once you're here, just click the yellow Sign Up Now button. If you already are an existing Amazon user, you have just a regular Amazon account, you can just check off that box, put in your password, and sign in. If you are a brand new user, or you want to set up a brand new account, then you would check I am a new user, put in your email address, click the sign in using our secure server button. You will then be taken to the registration page where you'll enter your name, email address, type in your email address again, enter a password and type it in again, then click create account. Okay, in the next screen, this is where you will enter your address, city, state, zip, country, phone number. Scroll down here a little bit. Agree to the terms and conditions. Enter the CAPTCHA image, and then click continue. And finally, you will come to the thank you page. You have created an Amazon Web Services account. Now, we still need to add the services we want for this account. So the first thing you need to do is open the email for Amazon, and you can pause the video, come back, and then we'll add the S3. Okay, once you've checked your email and made sure your account was established successfully, you can come right back to the page that you were on when we left off and come down here and click Amazon Simple Storage Service. Come up here in the top and click Sign Up for Amazon S3. You will then be shown the standard pricing, which is per gigabyte, and it does depend on the region you live. Scroll down, you will enter a credit card here, and then click Continue. Okay, then now that you've signed up for your Amazon account, you can come back to aws.amazon.com. Come over here on the right side and click Account. You should still be signed in from when you signed up. If you're not, it will ask you to sign in. And then come over here and click Security Credentials. And what you're looking for is Access Credentials right down here. I need you to take and write down your access key ID, and then click Show, and it will show you your secret access key. Write both of those down somewhere on your computer in a text file. They are long numbers. The secret access key is much longer. So copy and paste them in a safe place. Keep in mind, if anyone gets a hold of these keys, they will have full access to your account. Okay, we're done with Amazon. Now we're going to get into the client UIs. Okay, the first thing we're going to be looking at is the Amazon S3 Firefox Organizer. Because of its popularity, it's worth mentioning. It does work very well. It's great for organizing and managing your files on S3, but it is not loaded with a lot of features that we need. So I just want to point it out to you. once you get rocking and rolling with S3, it is good to have if you use Firefox because you can do some quick stuff with it, but it does not get into a lot of detail and features, as I said. So let me close this window. We're going to look at something else. Let's look at a piece of freeware that works very well. If you go to cloudberrylab.com, you can scroll down here and you're going to see Cloudberry S3 Explorer freeware. Now, if you absolutely do not want to spend any money, this is a good little piece of software. It will do what you need to do. And you can go ahead and read about it, download it. It is free. For this tutorial, I will be using something else. You can go up here, change windows or tabs, and it is bucketexplorer.com. I have tried many softwares for Amazon S3 for accessing, and so far I like Bucket Explorer the best. It is loaded with features for both S3 and the cloud front. I mean, you can schedule and automate stuff. It is fantastic. It is not free. It does cost $49.95. However, they do have a 30-day trial and it's fully functional, so I would highly encourage you to do that. In this tutorial, this is what I'll be using to show you how it works, and even if you use the Cloudberry freeware, you should still be able to follow along, okay? Okay, so go ahead and download the Bucket Explorer. It is available for Windows or Mac, and when you have it installed, just come back, pause the video, and we'll get rolling.